And those names that I call, I'll ask them to step forward here, and we'll proceed accordingly. This is dealing. Ashley Guccione's. As I mentioned,
I have here a resident matter.
I've written, let me say this, I have read your motion, and your motion to dismiss.
Before answering, I just want to state the record on my rights of reserve in C1-08.
Appreciate that, and I have read through the motion to dismiss that you have. It is not something that I can handle in court today, and so what I'm going to have to do is reassign this case to the main courthouse, and they'll be dealing with that issue then. And I recognize that you have some issues regarding the whole procedure as such,
Yeah.
but again, I apologize, and it won't be something that I can handle here today.
Okay, just a question. Would I have to put a plea in to have to go over that?
I'm going to, you don't have to, because I'm going to enter one in your behalf, given what you have, but you can, and I would appreciate you entering a plea of not guilty. But again, if you don't enter the plea of not guilty, I would enter it for you, or in your behalf, not for you, but in your behalf, and so the case can proceed forward. What I don't want you to do is get in trouble because you're following some beliefs that you have and some rights that you want.
Well, it's my understanding that entering a plea is actually contracting with the government, and I do not consent to contracting with any corporation whatsoever.
I respect that.
So I do not wish to plead for anything.
Yes, I understand that, but at this point, to the extent, and I assume that you wouldn't want the public defender appointed for you either.
No, I don't need to be represented.
Okay, I'd like to, Sir Public Defender, do you have a position in these cases that you would ordinarily prefer to be placed on and then appointed? Okay, and you're not going to fill out the affidavit on that?
Affidavit for what?
Of appointment of a public defender?
No.
So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and to plead not guilty, reassign this case to the main courthouse, give you a new date that you have to appear by, and I want this motion to be heard as well as at the main courthouse where they can do so.
Okay, I appreciate your honesty and respect, and I just want to state for the record
Can't have
that.
electronic devices.
Oh,
this is my First Amendment right. I'm exercising my First Amendment right. The freedom of expression.
I understand that that's a trust account you guys are trying to tap into.
Can you please show me a law?
I'm actually a secured party creditor beneficiary.
I'm not subjected to any statutes. I'm not a corporate entity. I'm a common law sovereign.
And
Yeah.
I, just let you know, if you enter a plea in for me, I'm gonna have to file into. I'm gonna have to put in.
We ordinarily, I'm sorry, Jim.
I'm sorry, I'm not finished talking.
Yeah, no, but if there's certain film, pardon?
Christina Tracy, Mesa.
Hold on a second. Okay. One of the perks I get when I'm sitting up here is that when I'm talking about other people aren't, there's obviously an issue here. But there's no filming in this courtroom other than what's we're recording for that matter, other than what's that being said. So I understand if you wanted to say quickly, because as you can see, I have.
Yeah, I'm gonna put in a notice of mistake for you putting a plea in for me, because I did not consent. I just wanna let you know that for the record, and if I have to go downtown to finish this matter for the behalf of Ashley Guccione,
My First Amendment right.
I will do that under my choice, but I will be putting a notice.
Yes.
Cannot film anything in the courthouse.
All right, so my First Amendment right don't mean nothing here pretty much.
Told you have to
This is for the
leave.
new.
All right.
It's against
All right,
the
I'm
rules and regulations.
gonna turn it off under duress.